Managing your affiliate network with PartnerStack is an absolute game changer for anyone looking to scale their affiliate or partner program. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the essentials of using PartnerStack to not only manage your affiliate network, but also maximize its potential. Now, if you're new to PartnerStack, it's a powerful platform that helps businesses manage their affiliate, reseller, and referral programs all in one place. What makes PartnerStack so great is its user-friendly interface and the way it streamlines everything, from tracking affiliate performance to handling payouts, saving you tons of time and effort. Here's the deal. When you first sign into PartnerStack, the dashboard gives you a complete overview of your network, showing active affiliates, the performance of each, and any commissions due. This transparency is key to managing your affiliate network effectively. You can quickly see what's working, what's not, and where you need to optimize. One of the first things you'll want to do is set up your affiliate programs. PartnerStack allows you to create customizable commission structures, whether that's a one-time payment, recurring commissions, or a hybrid model. You can tailor these based on the type of affiliate you're working with, whether they're influencers, content creators, or traditional affiliates. This level of flexibility helps you run a program that's not only effective, but also aligned with your brand's goals. Next, let's talk about automation. PartnerStack does an incredible job at automating many of the processes that can bog down your affiliate network management. From tracking affiliate sales to sending out commissions, the platform ensures that everything is handled efficiently. You can even set up automated notifications for when affiliates hit performance milestones or need attention. This keeps your affiliates motivated and engaged without you having to do all the work manually. Now let's dive into the recruitment side of things. PartnerStack makes it incredibly easy to recruit affiliates. With its built-in marketplace, you can tap into a global network of potential partners who are already interested in promoting your product or service. This means no more chasing down affiliates. You can attract top-tier talent right from the start, which can drastically reduce your recruiting efforts. But it doesn't stop there. PartnerStack also lets you manage and monitor affiliate performance in real time. You can analyze the data from your affiliates to see what strategies are working best, and then double down on the efforts that yield the highest ROI. PartnerStack also integrates with various CRM and analytics tools, making it easier to manage and track your program's success. On top of all of that, PartnerStack helps you stay compliant with regulations and ensures your affiliates are following the rules. With automated reports and tools for monitoring compliance, you can rest easy knowing everything is handled properly. And here's something even better. You can start using PartnerStack for free by clicking the link below. Plus, we've got an exclusive offer that gives you an extended free trial, so you can explore all these features without any risk or commitment. If you're looking to manage your affiliate network and scale your business, PartnerStack is a game changer. And now, you've got an opportunity to get started with all the perks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to check out the link below for your exclusive extended free trial of PartnerStack.